my name is Alexis and I'm with BOXABL'S client relations team. We're here today with Paolo Tiramani, BOXABL'S co-CEO and founder. We're excited to be discussing the recent filing of the Form S-4 with FG Merger 2 Core and what that might mean for our investors. Over to you, Paolo.
Thanks, Alexis. I'm thrilled to share this incredible moment in BOXABL'S history with you. For those just getting to know us, we believe we're changing the game in housing. We believe we're not just building homes, we're redefining how homes are built, delivered, and lived in. We believe our modular building systems deliver affordable, high-quality homes at unprecedented speed. Since 2017, we've been executing on our mission to tackle one of the country's biggest challenges: housing affordability. Our flagship product, the Casita, is a 361 square foot studio with a full kitchen, bathroom, and utilities, and it unfolds on site in less than an hour. We build it right here in Las Vegas at our own facilities for what we believe is unmatched quality. We also have the Baby Box, 120 square foot studio home built to RV code, perfect for simple setups without a foundation. We're also developing stackable, connectable models to form townhouses, multifamily buildings, or larger single-family homes. Every product, we believe, brings us closer to solving the housing challenges for individuals and communities in our great country. This is an exciting time for the entire BOXABL team. We've recently announced our planned merger with FG Merger 2 Corp. This isn't just a business milestone. We believe it's a major inflection point for BOXABL. Demand is at record highs, manufacturing is scaling, and the vision has never been clearer. Going public will allow us to accelerate virtually all facets of the business. More production, more innovation, more impact, all while bringing our supporters along for this unbelievable journey.
Thank you, Paolo, for that introduction of the company. Now we do have some questions for you, so we'll just get right into it. Why is now the right time to go public?
So we're just moving past our startup phase with what we believe is proven demand and scaling manufacturing. With this transition, we expect will strengthen our balance sheet, expand production capacity, and accelerate our path to solving the housing affordability crisis.
And why a SPAC rather than a traditional IPO?
A SPAC provides more speed and certainty. FG Merger 2 brings not only capital, over $80 million, which is currently being held in trust, but also experienced partners who are aligned with our vision. In addition to their valuable experience, it's efficient. We believe predictable and meets all regulatory requirements.
Say I'm an investor in BOXABL. What happens to my shares after the merger?
Each BOXABL share will convert into shares of FGMC in accordance with the common exchange ratio and the preferred exchange ratio as described in the merger agreement. Each ratio is a math formula that calculates how many shares of the new public company each BOXABL common shareholder or preferred stockholder will get for each share of BOXABL stock that they currently hold. The math formula cannot be finalized until the closing, as it's impacted by the total number of preferred shares and common stock outstanding. In total, BOXABL shareholders will receive $3.5 billion in combined common and preferred stock of FGMC at a deemed $10 per share value.
Is BOXABL conducting a reverse stock split?
No. Each BOXABL shareholder's shares will be exchanged for a smaller number of shares in the new public company based on a set exchange ratio. This reduction in share count is a standard part of the merger process and should not be confused with a reverse stock split. In a reverse split, a company reduces its existing shares. We are not doing that here. The adjustment simply reflects the agreed merger consideration and the capital structure of the new company. The merger agreement, available on the SEC's EDGAR database, provides a full description of the exchange ratio and the merger consideration to be received by shareholders.
Am I going to be able to sell my shares?
Yes, shares of our Class A common stock will be freely trading once the shares are listed. Our preferred stock will not initially convert to Class A common stock, be listed or traded. The plan is that approximately 14 months following the closing of the merger, 20% of the shares of preferred stock in the aggregate will automatically, without any further action by BOXABL or any stockholder, convert into Class A common stock on a one-for-one basis. After that, an additional 20% of the original shares of preferred stock will automatically convert each subsequent month on a one-for-one basis until all of the preferred stock has been converted into Class A common stock. Once converted, the Class A common stock will be freely tradable.
How can I transfer my shares to a brokerage account?
After the closing, shares will continue to be held electronically by our transfer agent, Continental Stock Transfer and Trust Company. Once shares of preferred stock convert to a common stock, as described in the combined company amended and restated certificate of formation, each investor should work with their respective brokerage to transfer them. Every brokerage has its own process, so we really encourage you to check in with them now.
Can I prepare now to make the transfer to my brokerage account faster?
Yes. Update your contact info with BOXABL. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Ask your broker how they handle private company shares after a SPAC merger and watch for instructions from us once shares are tradable.
What happens if my shares have a restriction?
So as part of the transaction, if successful, all holders of BOXABL shares will receive shares in the surviving company pursuant to a merger registration statement. When converted into common shares, the shares will be freely tradable.
So do I need to do anything right now?
No immediate action is required. Just keep your info current, subscribe to our investor updates, and have your brokerage account ready.
Will I need to sign anything?
Maybe. If we need your signature, we'll let you know.
Does filing an S4 mean that BOXABL is public now?
No, it's a key milestone, however, but we still require regulatory reviews, shareholder approvals, and listing requirement approval before we are officially public.
When will BOXABL go public?
Great question. So BOXABL and FGMC have filed a Form S4 with the SEC. The SEC will review and potentially will provide comments. Once we complete the SEC comment process, stockholders of both BOXABL and FGMC must provide their approval through a stockholder vote and NASDAQ listing approval. We currently anticipate closing by the end of 2025 pending approvals.
Can I invest in BOXABL now?
No, not directly. We're not listed yet. But FG Merger 2 Corp is publicly traded on the NASDAQ currently under ticker FGMC. If the merger is completed, FGMC shares will convert into shares of the combined company, which will include BOXABL'S business.
Why might someone buy FGMC shares now?
So FGMC holds more than $80 million in trust. If public shareholders retain their shares through the merger, those funds will be available to BOXABL upon completion of the merger.
What's next now that the merger agreement is signed and the Form S4 is filed?
Now that the Form S4 is filed, the SEC will review and potentially provide comments or questions. We'll address the comments for subsequent filing, and once we complete the SEC comment process, the merger will be subject to a shareholder vote. If approved and requirements are met, BOXABL will merge with FGMC and be listed on the NASDAQ.
What is SEC Form S4 and why does it matter?
So a Form S4 is a registration statement filed with the SEC when a company issues securities as part of a merger, acquisition, or a similar transaction. It provides detailed disclosures to inform investors and shareholders. The SEC reviews the filings and may issue comment letters requesting revisions. Once all comments are addressed, the SEC declares the filing effective, allowing the transaction to move forward. Our investors and stockholders are urged to read the registration statement and joint proxy statement and prospectus and any other relevant documents filed or to be filed with the SEC carefully and in their entirety when they become available. They will contain important information about the proposed transaction.
So what will the share price be?
SPACs typically begin trading at $10 per share, but the market ultimately determines value. For BOXABL, the merger consideration was set at $10 per share, giving a total transaction value of $3.5 billion.
So what if the merger doesn't happen?
So if the merger is not completed, BOXABL remains a privately held reporting company. FGMC would continue searching for another target. BOXABL shares would stay as they are today, and your BOXABL shares remain as they are today.
Paolo, thank you so much for your time today and for your responses. Is there anything else you would like to say?
I want to thank you for your continued support, belief in our company BOXABL, and our mission to solve the national housing crisis. We couldn't be more excited about the road ahead and the opportunity to build the future of housing together. We are just coming up to the beginning, and I'm thrilled to have you with us as we take BOXABL's next big step. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at invest@boxable.com. Thank you. How was that? Not too bad, right?